So now I've gotten an entry on UJ. This I got an entry. I was supposed to enter here, this point here, but I was out. So I got a somewhat. I ended up entering a bit higher, but I'm in the entry. I'm in the entry. So hopefully I will hold. Anyway, the stop loss is small. Stop loss is small. Let me check something. Okay, yeah. So hopefully, I don't know. Hopefully, I might hold this one overnight. But now, the thing now is GJ is starting to misbehave. GJ is starting to misbehave. GU is GU just fluctuating. GU is still doing his thing. The network plus. So GJ is beginning to misbehave. It has come close to entry. GU is beginning to misbehave. See how much it went to a 1 to 1 and is retracing. It went to a 1 to 1 and it's retracing. It went to a 1 to 1 and it's retracing. I think I might just close all these stuffs. I need who is giving GG morale. Honestly, I don't know who is giving GG morale. So I might just hold out. I will hold out the retracement. I will hold out the retracement. I don't know why my chat is not loading. I'll hold out the retracement. So now let's see if UJ give us a proper. Let's see if UJ give us a proper entry, a proper setup. What am I saying? So let me just show it to you. This is this. I open two positions. This is the position. So I think this will be moment that we decide market going up. If I was on the chat when I was supposed to be on chat, this is like one to one already, but I was not on chat at that time. Not to spoil. Okay, yeah, I'm currently running on 719 sharp. So let's see. UJ is going down nicely. I think I think I've gotten a nice entry on UJ buys too. Just DJ now, but I think that's all for now. So I'll just wait out. And let me show you the news that came out. Let me see. This news 7:30. Okay, it's a conference. It is a press conference. I think I will need to get a what's it called, like a speaker. It is a press conference. This one here. This 7:30. Well, let's see. Hopefully we'll close. At least I need to close like 7K at least. Because I'm risking 5,500 on this trade. UJ is giving money. UJ is going well. Why is DJ now misbehaving? UJ is going well. UJ is going well. UJ is going back. I must say. So this I should make 2K. It goes where I should be making 2K. UJ is already giving like 1 to 1 already. I will hold it. Okay, is there any other news? Is there any other news? No, nothing serious, just 9 p.m. Not serious. So. Exactly now, this is what I'm waiting for. Show me 1, 2. Exactly what I'm waiting for. UJs and GJ are adding to the massive buys. UJ and GU rather. Meanwhile, this is GU. You're seeing GU already now, so there's no need. You're seeing GU on the chat. So let me just show you this setups. It's just GG that is kind of misbehaving. And at least it should give me like 2K profits. It's kind of which one is this one? I've been lost back to back to back. So yeah. So yes, nice one.